Hey friends, welcome to my farmstead dream. I'm Diane, and this is my garlic. I planted this garlic in October, and to me it still looks puny. And over the weekend, my neighbor behind me asked me if I wanted some peach trees because she had peach trees growing in her compost. And so I went back there to get some peaches or some peach trees. And I saw her garlic, and it's 3 times the size of mine. And I'm like, but what I noticed was she had trimmed her garlic. And so I asked her about it, and she said if you trim your garlic, that it causes its energy to go down into the bulb versus going up into, the green on the top, the green tops. So today, I'm going to try my hand at trimming this garlic, and let's see if we can get a better garlic harvest. And I do have a confession to make. I forget to fertilize. I know. I guess I just expect to be able to stick something in the ground and for it to grow without me ever having to feed it. I do have to say I'm getting better this year at fertilizing. So, enough of the jibber jabber. Let's get started. Okay, so basically she said if you trim the tops of the garlic off, then it causes the energies to go into the bulb to be bigger bulbs. So that's what we're going to do. We're going to start trimming this garlic. Ooh, it smells really yum. And hopefully it will cause it to grow bigger. We shall see. So this is basically the way she had hers trimmed. Hopefully you can see this one right here. Let me look and see. Yeah, you can see that pretty good. And you see here how I've just snipped off the tops of these. Maybe if I do this, you can see it a little better. So this is what hers looked like. So I'm just going to go ahead and continue snipping off the ends of the garlic, and then we'll come back at the end and I'll show you what it looks like. Okay, so this is what it looks like now. And y'all have to forgive me because I've never before grown garlic, so this is a learning process for me. But these at the very top, I know that some garlic has garlic scapes, and I can't remember if it is hardneck garlic or softneck garlic, but I know that one of them has garlic scapes that you can cut off and eat, but I think you need to leave them on there to let them grow. And so if y'all know how to grow garlic, could you give me some tips in the description box below? I don't know that softneck garlic has the garlic scapes, or if it's hardneck garlic. I'm not sure. I can't remember, and I did take the time to watch a few videos, but now I can't remember. Isn't that so ridiculous? So anyways, I have trimmed down the garlic. They do look better. So I will get my fertilizer and give them some fertilizer. But I do think they look a lot better. They seem to look a little healthier. I know that trimming them down is not going to make them be healthier in one day. But this is my little basket of the tops that I cut off. So if you know if I can cook these or use them in cooking or how I can use them, leave that in the comment box below too, because like I say, we're all learning here, and so if you know and don't mind sharing the information, I would be grateful. Now, I've also heard that you should trim your onions. I think there is conflicting information on that though, so I need to do a little more research, so I will do that and maybe let y'all know in a future video. So anyways, that's just a quick video today to show y'all what I did to my garlic. Hopefully this works and will help them to grow bigger. And like I say, any information that you have or that you know about growing garlic, I would be forever grateful if you would share it with me. So, hope you have a wonderful, wonderful day and happy gardening. Big hugs.